Eliza Airlines or something, and our pilot for this airline is pink. Inside, why are you running around? We
Hi.
we're trying to record a promotional video.
Oh, we are?
Yeah.
Sorry. Would you like a tour around my plane?
Yes, please.
Okay, well, up here, we'll start with the pilot area.
Yeah.
So this is where the pilots will be sitting, and they will be doing our flight so that we don't die, hopefully.
Yes.
And then we'll have people cooking food for the first class area. Economy doesn't get food, they only get peanuts. So these are the first classrooms. They're very good. We have the TV and the maps. These maps you can study on the way to Antropica, which is the place we'll be going on this flight.
Question, why are the TVs a bit, like, broken?
We don't have internet connection.
Oh. Okay. Okay.
And then back here, this is economy. This is economy. They have great seats, as you can tell. And they also have a few maps, not as many as first class, but it's all right. They have TVs as well. And then back here, we have the bathroom, which are wonderful.
Yes,
they also have maps.
I can tell.
Yes. Now, if you would please take your seat, we will be taking off.
Okay. Do I have a first class seat or like?
Do whatever you want. We don't have any other passengers.
Okay.
Because no one trusts me to fly a plane. Anywhere but here.
Why not?
Anywhere but here.
I would like to sit here.
Because this is pilots. Okay, well, I guess you can sit there, but you can't really pilot the plane because I'm the pilot. So if you could just, Sarah, if you could just take your seat and buckle up, please.
Okay, there.
Thank you. So I have to talk to the non-existent passengers for a moment.
What is the point of this?
This is your captain speaking. Welcome to Eliza Air. If you could please buckle up, we are all going to die.
Why? Why are we going to die? What are you gonna purposefully crash this plane?
Because I don't know how to pilot a plane. Let's go!